So now that I have my two front fenders, marked out where they should be shaping wise, and I got my, new, nice, awesome compressor, I'm going to go ahead and use the angle grinder to get these things all, rough cut down to its final dimensions. And then all I have to do is a little bit of sanding and round over the edge. So as you saw in the other video, I taped off, and put the fenders together and, taped off everything. However, while I was working on this, I noticed that there were still a few things that were just a slightly different. So I made some adjustments as I went and just used the die grinder to take everything off. And so now all I have to do is do some hand sanding and round off the corners and just verify that that front lip, when the person's looking at the front of the car, is just perfect and symmetrical on each side. So I'll do that soon. And hopefully that will be it for the front fenders. All I have to do then is sand them and get ready for primer, and those are done. So, and then once I got that firewall in the car, I'll roll that back fender back out. In fact, both of them still need some cutting around the whole round edge, and then the driver's side needs that whole chunk taken off on the front and back. So we'll get to that pretty soon. Until next time, have a great day.